Hi everyone, today we're going to look into another control basic block here from the orange circle. Today we're going to look into this repeating block, repeat 10 times block or repeat any number. Here is the number that you are going to ask the script to repeat. Either you put 100 or you put 10 or you put 2 or you put 8. That means the number is how many times you're going to repeat the scripts. Okay, we're going to show you an example. What is this block is all about? Okay, today we're going to build one simple example cases that we're going to repeat 10 times to make the characters from a 0 size until it is 100% size. Okay, now let's duplicate these characters in 2. And let me open the XY grids for you, so that you can compare the size later. So now we have 2 sprites. Let me arrange it properly side by side so that you can compare the size later. Okay, now we have 2 sprites or 2 cats on the screen. We have 2 cats on the screens. Okay, now let's make the first cat into a smaller size. We got to have event the start button for the script to start, and then let's set the size. Okay, this we will have another tutorial to talk about all these look basic blocks, but meantime we just use the set size block. This set size block is about setting the size of the characters. Okay, let's say we set it 50% and I press the green flag. You see the cat will become 50% smaller than the original design. Okay, let's have this time with the 0, and I will go into more deep detail with this set size, but now we just make it as simple as possible so that you can see the repeat block is all about. Okay, now we hit the we take out the repeat block, we hit the green flag. You will see your sprite will become like a small dot on the grid. There's a small dot here. The cat now is like a very tiny dust. Okay, now we're going to repeat for 10 times to bring back the size of the cat. So we just put in the repeat 10 times. Repeat for what? Repeat in what actions we want to change the size by 10. That means under this basic script, right, they will say when you click on the start button, the green flag, the size of this cat number 1, they will come into a very small cat. After that, very small means now is a 0%, and then through this repeat block, right, we're going to repeat 10 times. Every time we will add back the size to 10. So now we put to 0. Okay, now you see the size is 5 here. When we start the green flag, right, they will add up 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, just to show you the number, we take up the change of the size. When I click on this change size by 10, right, this 5 will become 15. Let's see. They will become 15. This is the first time, second time, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will be slightly bigger than this because we cannot reach to a 0 degree, 0% of the size. We got to come to 5. Okay, that's why they will be slightly bigger than this one. Okay, at least you can see the example. So when you click 10 times, this cat will be bigger than this a little bit, like 5%. Okay, now we click back to the green flag. Now cat is 5%. They couldn't go to 0. They got to be in 5%. So now we plug back the change size by 10. Okay, now this time we click on the green flag. It will straight away growing bigger and bigger with 10 times, reaching just now the example I showed you. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, hit the green flag. You see? It is repeating for 10 times. Every time they will add 10% to the size. Every time they will add 10%. After 10 times, it will be 100%. 105 size. Okay, to make it easier, so 105. So we make again there will be like this big. So we put this cat as same size as 105, so that we can compare the size exactly. So now they are like both same size. When I click on the start button, they will become very small and come to big. Very small and come to big. One more time. Click or I make it bigger so that you can see the picture more clearer. When I click the green flag, the script will run the cat from very small and repeating 10 times to reach to a size that is 105%. Okay, this is the basic of the repeat blocks, and I hope that you like it. That's all for today's tutorial. I will see you in next chapter again. Thank you very much.